we can see, here we have the music buttons that can be one color, and the keyboard buttons that can be another color. Here we have a very nice special feature. We have 3 customizable keys, 6 keys that can be customized in 3 different sections. So you can customize the 6 keys or buttons for 3 games, or for using the computer, calculator, web browser, music player, wherever you want. Then you can choose the number 2 that is for your game. So you have here the buttons as you like. Then we have here the gaming button